everyone, welcome to this Avoiding Broke podcast on this Sunday. I'm Leanne and I'm so pleased that you've joined me today. Now, I hope wherever you are, you're having this beautiful sunny weather that we're having here right now. In the UK, it is absolutely beautiful, and I hope that you are having a wonderful week, that you've had a great weekend, and I'm so happy that you are here on this Sunday with me now. So the topic that I wanted to talk to you about today is honesty. And that may seem like a really strange topic to be talking about on the Avoiding Broke podcast. But I think, as we were growing up, we were always told, don't tell lies, tell the truth, be honest, and all of those kind of things. But that's not the type of honesty that I want to talk to you about today. What I want to talk to you about today is how honest we are with ourselves. What do we tell ourselves? And I think this is really important because it really links with our goals and our dreams, our self-development, our growth, all of those things that we are working on. Most things in life, actually, how honest you are with yourself can make a real impact in the results that you achieve. And what I mean by that is that if, for example, say that we want to get fit, we want to get healthy, how honest are we with ourselves about how well we are doing against those targets that we set ourselves? If we say to ourselves, we're going to work out several times a week and we're going to make our diet clean and we're going to cut down on the takeaways, how honest are we with ourselves about how well we are doing? Because I think you hear it all the time about, if you're giving advice to somebody and you're kind of being honest with them about what you think they should do or how they're doing, it's a lot easier to do that when we're thinking about somebody else. But when it comes to ourselves, we often aren't as honest with ourselves as we are with other people, just like we don't often give as good advice to ourselves as we do to other people. And I wonder what it is within us that makes us do that. Like, why are we not as honest with ourselves? Really, we should be the most honest with ourselves because we are the ones who live with the results that we achieve. So by not being honest with ourselves, say, let's go back to our diet example here, by saying to ourselves, I'm definitely eating cleaner and my diet is much improved and I've definitely cut down on my takeaways. But actually, if we're not being completely honest with ourselves and saying, do you know what? I could have skipped that burger last night and had something kind of healthier. I could have made my own homemade burgers last night rather than ordering a burger from a fast food chain that we know is going to be full of salt and things like that and loads of fat that's not going to be very good for us. We know, but also by being honest with ourselves, then we know where we have room to improve. If we're not honest with ourselves and we don't know where we're going to improve, we don't have it in our conscious, in our subconscious, in our conscious mind about what we can do to improve. And for me, this really hits home in terms of personal growth and personal development. If I tell myself, I'm reading great stuff, I'm watching enough kind of self-development things on YouTube, I'm spending my time really wisely, then I won't look for opportunities to actually do better. I will think, nope, I'm doing it, I'm fine. Whereas in actual fact, if I was honest with myself and said, you know what, I could have skipped that Netflix show last night and I could have watched something that would help me improve my consciousness, elevate my consciousness, or I could have watched something that would have helped me, learn to relax and meditate. I could have done some meditation. If I'm not honest with myself about those things, then I'm not going to find opportunities to grow. Because when we are not honest with ourselves and we tell ourselves that we are doing a great job or something like that, then we're not opening ourselves up to bring more in. And that is why I think it's such a wonderful topic to think about, honesty here, because this isn't about beating ourselves up. This is not about saying you're doing a bad job. It's not about saying that you're not doing enough. This is about saying, where are the opportunities? And if I want to take those opportunities, where are they going to come from? What opportunities do I have? And isn't it wonderful to think to yourself that you could have these other opportunities? And even if you don't want to take them all up, even if you say to yourself, no, today I am resting, I am chilling, I am going to do whatever I want, so I'm going to sit in the garden and do nothing. You have the options to do that and you're making a conscious choice. And I think that's the important thing here. And that's really why I wanted to talk to you about honesty, because I think that if we are true to ourselves, if we're honest with ourselves, not only is it going to show us these opportunities like I've spoken about, but it's also going to increase our confidence, our self-esteem, because you can look at yourself in the mirror and you can say, yep, I fully believe exactly what I'm telling myself. I'm not telling myself a story to make myself feel better. I'm not kind of going to push this thing aside because I don't want to think about that anymore. No, that doesn't do anything to improve your confidence and self-esteem. But by being honest and open, even if you don't want to call it honesty, because that may have some negative connotations for you, but even if you want to say, I want to be completely open, completely transparent with myself, then you're setting yourself up to welcome in all of the opportunities that can help you grow, can help you reach your goals, and can help you reach your dreams. So I really want to leave it there with you, and I really hope that you found that useful. If you do have any comments, then drop them below, and also if there are any other topics that you want us to cover, then do just drop us an email, go to our website, check us out across social media. But the best way to probably do it is to drop a comment on this video. And guys, I look forward to speaking to you again next week. I really hope you're well, you take care of yourselves, and I will speak to you soon. Okay guys, take care. Bye.